Alright, what can kill us now? Yes!
Man, I sure did love when Raphdude09 doxed me in his
yeah, I doxed Chris
video.
in one of my videos. That's it, I'm shitting my pants. Yeah, no. Actually, I could have tried that. Tiki Winky, are you around here? What? They had to adjust the way she was walking. Funny Mortimer mouse.
Not particularly, no.
Gaming time. Castle Crashers. Monkey business is. It's time to game.
Oh! Hey, fellas, we're chill, right? Hey, we're chill, right? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Fight back!
No.
Fight back! Fight back! Fight back! Fight back! Fight back!
No.
Fight back!
It's an average day in Detroit.
You killed my kitten. Now Daddy's angry.
Shut her eyes. She can't see me. How do you know that? Were you like watching the footage, not like immediately rushing out of your office? Washing machine.
You look like a washing machine, Dizzy.
You're built like a washing machine. You got a lot of balls for a lady.
What's your favorite number?
17!
The up arrow of fate. I failed the chat. Elbow ring ain't got shit. Looks like the next 3. Here we go. 3 hits is crazy. I don't know what to do with my.
I'm Gregory.
I'm Gregory!